Guys, we got a big bass. Oh my gosh. Race on that guy. Ooh, guys, we got something good. Welcome back to the channel, guys. The video y'all about to see, I went out to McDuffie Public Fishing Area and I fished for the bass for about an hour and a half, and I didn't really get any bites, so I ended up switching over to a 1/16 ounce crappie jig with a triple tail, a blue and white triple tail. Can't exactly remember the name of it, but I mean, it slayed fish, man. I caught a few bass off camera, and then I caught a couple bream off camera. But I mean, it actually saved my day. I was fishing for bass, so I fished hard, man. It was amazing what I caught. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, man. Go ahead and make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below on some places y'all would like to see me fish. I really got some exciting things coming up on the channel. Make sure you guys stay attention for this upcoming few weeks. We really got some good things coming on the channel, and I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, you guys are gonna hear me say huge fish. These aren't any, 3/4 typical 3, 4, or 5 pound bass, but for a high pressure fishing place like that, those are some actually decent bass. Over the past 2 years that I've been going up to the public fishing area, it's been a lot of people out there, so that was a great sign to get these few bass I caught, so that was a good sign. Alright, I've seen quite a few browns swimming around, so I'm gonna take my little jig and throw it around a few times. Hopefully we can get on something pretty good. You should be able to get on something, hopefully. Seen a couple of browns swimming around, so hopefully we can get on a couple of those. So the goal is at least to catch one fish, no matter the species. Just try not to get skunked today, honestly, guys. Had a little brown, guys. I had a little brown tug at it. We're gonna try to salvage today. If we have to throw this jig around and try to catch a couple brown, that's what we'll do. Man, I ain't even gonna be picky about it today. I'm just out here trying to make something out of the day, so. Oh, we actually got something pretty decent, guys. Guys, we got a big bass. Oh my gosh. We have a nice bass. Oh my god. Guys, we have it. Let's go. Guys, this is, oh my gosh. We just caught a big bass off of. Well, it's big. Honestly, this is a big bass for a little jig, so. Alright guys, let's try to, the hook slipped right out, so let's try to alright guys, we just caught this bass probably, he's close to 2 pounds, but he's not quite 2 pounds. We caught him on a small jig, so we're gonna go ahead and get this guy back and try to catch some more. That's a nice bass for a little jig. Let's go ahead and get a release on this guy. Go ahead and get a release on that guy. And there he goes. Okay, let's try to get back out there and catch a few more. Honestly, that bass just made the trip worthwhile. So. It's still my reel apart, but. Hey guys, I thought he was gonna break off. I'm only fishing with 6 pound test, and I didn't have my drag sight. But I have it sight now, so hopefully the next fish doesn't almost break my line. We get one a little bigger, he won't break the line. I thought I was home, but that was a really nice bass. So let's try to get a couple more. So I was aiming for brown, but I'll take a big bass like that any day. So let's try to get at least 1 or 2 more. got something else, guys. Here we go. What do we got this time? I think we have a brown. Yeah, we actually have a brown this time. This is the targeted species that was going out there. A little small brown. A little small brown. Get this guy back in the water. Feels good to be able to salvage today. I was kind of skeptical. The things that we were throwing, it kind of had me. Throw, but I think we can actually salvage today by throwing a little crappie jig today with a little bass was chasing it just now, so it wasn't a big bass, but we'll give the little bass another chance. Ooh, that was a good brown. The bass I seen was a little bit bigger than this one, but hey. Talking about micro fishing, that's a micro bass right there. That's what we're after. We're after some small species to see if these fish are still healthy in this pond. So get this little aggressive guy back in the water. Yeah, the hardest part is gonna be trying not to lose this jig, so. We catch a couple more fish and I lose it. I'll say it paid itself off for the day. So, spot number 2. See if we can get on a couple right here, and then we'll try a few more spots, and that's probably gonna end it for the day. So hopefully we can get on a few over here. Fish jumped now, and I believe it was a bream. Not sure, so I'm gonna get my other jig a toss down now. I believe it was a decent bream that just jumped, so. We'll find out here shortly. Ooh, guys, we got something good. Another bass. We've been catching. We caught some nice bass today off of this. And here we have another one. Sorry, guys, I was trying to make sure I was recording. But we got another nice little bass. 6 pound Texas. I mean, I can't complain about how we catching them today, but I normally catch them over here a little smaller than this, but this is a nice little bass. I mean, huge gut on them, but decent gut. But they just aren't. I normally wouldn't catch them over here this big, but this is another good one for. Go ahead and get a release on this guy. Thanks for the fight. There she goes. Thought I was hung. I really thought I was hung. I couldn't exactly tell, but it felt like I was hung until I felt him pull and drag. And when he started back pulling drag, that's when I knew he was on there, but I honestly thought I was hung. Haven't quite figured out why these bass are eating. These decent bass are eating jigs, so hopefully we can get on a couple more, but that's number 2 for bass. 2 brim, 2 bass so far. Ooh, guys, we got another bass. Another bass, guys. We're trying to let this joker get tired before I lift him up. Good grief, guys. This is, I mean, you know, this is I see a really giant bass down here. I think I ran up on the bed, but nice chunky bass here. I gotta come back and so I gotta come back because, I mean, it's called a chunky bass right here. I would like to thank everybody that made it to this point in the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and smash the like button and comment down below on things you want to see me do on the channel and places you want to see me fish and different things y'all want to see me do. I got some other things coming up to the channel and I'm so excited about those things, but man, it's really been tough fishing lately, but we're gonna get on some big bass, you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Like your boy always say, ain't no living like the country living. Let's go!